I'm back slinging birds, motherfucker. Did you heard? I'm smacking with the bird, then clapping with the bird, capping, rapping, and be picking his ass up on the curb. Yeah, I'm back slinging birds, motherfucker. Did you heard? I'm smacking with the bird, then clapping with the bird, capping, rapping, and be picking his ass up on the curb. I'm at Save a Lot, buying baby food and baking soda. Value highs on the market. Blue Land Road, run you jealous, fuck's over. My man's inviting me to a table full of money and white shit. Got me taking pictures off for these nice bricks. No need to brag, yo. Your salary included tax, payrolls, made in 1 hour, bank rolls. That's why people don't like me. I'm so icy. Hit your wifey. In 2012, early release Air Max Nikes. Niggas hate so much they send killers across town to pop me. Quantities coming by the lows, coming at the beat, only gonna get you laid with a rose. You know what we still doing, breaking them off with blood transfusions. I can see the snakes coming and the expression on their face. So now they running execution style, going in as a root canal. Better shoot me now, cause ain't no coming back. Once I grip this big ass Mac, get your egg cracked. Never get your shit back, the shit's rap, the shit clap. Nigga, don't let a nigga fucking snap. I'm back slinging birds, motherfucker. Did you heard? I'm clapping with the bird, then smacking with the bird, capping, rapping, and be picking his ass up on the curb. Yo, I'm back slinging birds, motherfucker. Did you heard? I'm smacking with the bird, then clapping with the bird, capping, rapping, maybe picking his ass up on the curb. I got a car on my neck and your mortgage on my wrist. To keep it gully with your baby girl, your man ain't this, cause he always talking shit. We got the cartel in my cell. If you thinking about, you go and tell. Get fucked to death as a pussy pal. Testing me is more dangerous than jail. Coming home free, you better smarten up, cause it'll lead to internal flesh, you're coughing up. Biz was born in South Philly around the Thai mob. I'm letting my enemies know we can fight to the death, cause I love the ride from the king of my city. To do dirt, never clean off cause I stay shitty. Fuck you in committee, too pretty to put makeup spots on your face before the after pass get picky. Send dogs to sick me, then after that you gonna have to tell our army to come and get me. I dropped about 60 gunpowder, get sticky. Yo, I'm back slinging birds, motherfucker. Did you heard? I'm smacking with the bird, then clapping with the bird, capping, rapping, and be picking his ass up on the curb. I'm back slinging birds, motherfucker. Did you heard? I'm smacking with the bird, then clapping with the bird, capping, rap, and be picking his ass up on the curb. Hey, yo, on some real shit, nigga. Y'all niggas stop fucking dry snitching out there, man. You got niggas pictures and names, man. Y'all think I don't see that shit? And by the way, y'all motherfuckers stop hating all the time, man. Do you, nigga? Cause I'm a damn sure do me. Fuck out of here. This is the greatest lyricist of all time.
See mad trash.
Put me in the Hall of Fame, but not in the Hall of Lame. I palm shots, picking shit out your head like the Phil's cotton out. I'm a word spitter, custom deliver, a real nigga. They say fuck off cause you get more than a finger. My jewelry ain't cubic stones or pearls. Lunatics cross me, get snatched out from this world. Call me John Doe, got tons of that shit coming in as Play-Doh. I told you nuts, I'm STD free and allergic to haters with rumors. Get the fuck away from me. Furs is too over, underrated, too effing hot. First hop off the boat and bust on your girlfriend the way a volcano was on your block. Long as I live, I get richer. Shirt, hat, pants match Burberry with slippers. Use a click liquor, also a juice sipper. They got evil tendencies, hoping I was dead. Shots through your crib, rear, bed, and head. He done dirt, people still hoping he would live. That's what happened when you fuck with a nigga named Biz. I'm a caterpillar, blood spiller, last to come a gut stiller. They won't make it to testify because I already killed the rat niggas. I said cousin, I don't wanna live this way, but when I walk out the door, I sing innocent peeps late. Who gives a fuck? So how you feel? So hate me, boy, or get buried with your name spray painted under the basement floor. I know you industry niggas is mad. I'm not paying for your shit. I wonder why you're not getting cash. I could show you a rider, and by the way, you act like some pussy that turned sour. I'm a ghetto super dream, feature like ping pong with the ass, leave with my new emphasis of cream songs. What up, Holmes? This is the best, none to come and none after.